Have you bought a course and you're still not making money? I need you to hear this part clearly. It's not because you're dumb, it's not because you're lazy, and it's not because you don't have what it takes. It's because you purchased information and not a system that creates leads, offers, and sales every week. And if that hits you a bit hard in the chest, good, because this means you're the exact person I made this for. Before we go any further, if you want help building this simple system I'm talking about, come join my free school community right now. The link is in the description. Go join, introduce yourself, and make a one comment sentence. I bought a course and it didn't pay me back. Because once you do that, I can point you to the exact starting place so you stop guessing. Okay, so let's dive into why this keeps happening. Here's where you are right now. You bought a course, maybe 2, 5. You have a whole graveyard of logins and passwords. You watched modules, you took the notes, you highlighted stuff, you saved templates, you joined Facebook groups, other school communities, and maybe you downloaded PL bonuses. And somehow your bank account didn't change. And what that does to you mentally is nasty. You start thinking, maybe I'm the problem. Maybe I can't stick with anything. Maybe I'm not cut out for this. Or maybe I need to go back and get another job. But the truth is, information isn't the missing thing. It's the system that is missing, that does the same 3 things over and over every week. Brings the right people, gives them the next step, and converts a small percentage into money. That's it. And if you don't have that, you're basically hoping that motivation shows up, that the algorithm blesses you, and the perfect idea hits you in the shower. Hope is not a business model. So let me explain the real reason course buyers don't make money. Most courses teaches you what, and some of them teaches you how. But almost none of them give you a weekly operating system. They don't give you a rhythm. And without a rhythm, you stall because you end up doing random tasks in random order with random tools, chasing random trends. And you know what that feels like. You're busy, but nothing is moving. You're learning, but you're not earning. You're doing, but nothing is compounding. And then life happens, and you fall off. You feel guilty, and you start over. The cycle is very brutal. Now, here's where we're going. You're going to a place your business is boring in the best way, where you have one simple offer, one painful paid problem, and you know exactly what you're doing each week. You're going to go to a place where you're not trying to blow up, you're trying to build a stability. You're going to a place where you can look at your numbers and go, okay, I know how leads come in. I know how they join. I know how they buy. And I know how I deliver results. And that's the path that leads to real transformation that you want. Not just another make money online, but what money actually means for you. No debt, no retirement, freedom, choice, being able to breathe. So let's talk about the tools because people love the act like tools don't matter. Tools matter, but only after clarity. I'm going to give you 3 tools that help you build a system that gets you to that no debt retirement kind of life. Tool number 1, school. It is your container. It's where your offer lives. It's where your community lives. It's where you deliver. And it keeps you from duct taping 12 platforms together. You don't need a course platform, plus a community platform, plus a funnel builder, plus 20 automations, plus 15 subscriptions. Keep it simple. One container. Tool number 2, ChatGPT. ChatGPT is your thinking partner. This is where you stop guessing. You use it to pick a painful paid problem, write the offer promise, build the roadmap, create the content plan, and write your sales message. It's like having an assistant coach sitting next to you, keeping you moving forward instead of spiraling. Tool number 3, YouTube. YouTube is a traffic engine. This is not social media fluff. It's where people go with intent. They go there to learn, to fix something, to solve a problem. And if you constantly show up and teach one thing to one person, you don't need to be famous. You need to be useful. Google, ChatGPT or AI, and YouTube are the container, clarity, and the traffic. The trio is how you go from stuck course buyer to a paid educator with recurring income. Now, I want to simplify this even more because I already feel some of you are going, okay, but what do I actually do? Here's a 3-part system you're missing. 1 is to attract, 2 is to convert, and 3 is to deliver. That's it. Attract is content, YouTube and social media, simple teaching, one topic, one problem. Convert is your free school. This is where people raise their hand. This is where they stop being a random viewer and become a real lead. Deliver is your paid offer inside school. This is where they get the results. This is where you build things that creates retention and referrals and case studies. Attract, convert, deliver. If your course didn't give you that system, it gave you information but not a business. And let me say something that might sting. You do not need 47 funnels. You do not need a new logo. You do not need a perfect niche statement. You do not need to feel ready. You need one paid problem, one clear promise, and one clearly rhythm. Because consistency is the part that prints money, not inspiration. So here's what I would like you to do next. And I'm going to make it stupid simple. Step number 1, join my free community. The link is in the description. When you join, go to the Start Here section and grab the Reset and Clarity resources. Step 2, pick one paid problem you can solve, not a passion, a paid problem. Something people are already spending money to fix. Step 3, commit to a 30-day rhythm. One long video a week, one short video, and one weekly touch point inside my community. That's it. And if you do that, you'll stop feeling like you're drowning because now you have a system.